You are 4 today, yeah? Happy birthday, Duty. Mm-mm. What do we think about this little Duty? What's in the boxes anyway? What do you think?
Oh my god, look, Mom!
What is it, Daddy?
I got the chocolate that I got in the toy shop.
Oh, wow.
That I did in the toy shop.
Gorgeous. Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? Wow.
Look, Mom.
It's a beautiful tractor and trailer and a digger scoop. Wow. Hard to get it off.
Yeah, I think you should give him a hand money. Oh, look, it's open.
Good boy.
Good man yourself. Here we go. Oops.
Happy birthday
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kieran. Happy birthday to you.
Hello!
Good job. Yeah.
Do you want to do it again? He likes the blowing the party.
The blowing right thing, look. No way. Are you making a wish this time?
Yeah.
What are you going to wish for? We all do it at once, will we?
I won't do a wish this time.
Can we all do it at once?
Do a wish this time. I'll make a wish.
Ready?
I would like this time.
Count to 3. Probably exploding candle or something. There we go.
It burnt.
Ready? Count to 3, will we?
Hang on a second,
No,
1.
second 4, 'cause it's
Wait a
4.
second for mommy.
1,
2.
2,
Hang on, Kieran.
3.
Hang on. No, Kieran. No. Stephen.